This is Brittany from the St. Mary's Library, and I want to welcome you to another edition of Crafty Creations. Today we will be making a holiday ornament. For this craft, you will need polyacrylic, glitter, Gorilla Glue, a cup, a syringe, a small funnel, and a clear plastic ornament. First, take the top part of your ornament out and take about 5 to 7 milliliters of polyacrylic and insert it into your ornament. Once the polyacrylic is inside, rotate your ornament until it is fully coated. Once it is fully coated, turn it upside down over your cup so that your excess polyacrylic will dump out in the cup. Then, take your funnel and shake your glitter into the ornament. Once you have a good amount of glitter into your ornament, rotate it around so that it will coat your ornament. Once that is done, tap your ornament over your cup to expel any extra glitter. Let it sit and dry for approximately 10 minutes. Once it is dry, place the top of the ornament back inside and use Gorilla Glue to secure the top. And there you have it, your own holiday ornament.